trigger that is? Alright? So, all I want you to do now is pull the trigger out. Make sure you reset your finger on the side. Now pull the hammer. Now, when you're ready, reposition your thumb. Now, pull the trigger area. Are you ready? So, same thing again. Reset. Nice groove.